Nikhil Kumaraswamy on February 22nd said he would contest the next assembly elections from the Ramanagara constituency. The Janata Dal Secular Youth Wing state president made the announcement while speaking in Tumkur. He said he would not choose any other seat. He described Ramanagara as a constituency that had elected leaders who went on to become chief minister and prime minister. He said the people of the seat had a history of backing top leaders. Nikhil also spoke about former JDS MLA T.C. Gauri Shankar. He said Gauri Shankar was a good friend and wished him well in future elections. Ramanagara has been closely linked to Nikhil's family. His father, H.D. Kumaraswamy, his mother, Anita, and his grandfather, H.D. Devegowda, have all represented the constituency. Kumaraswamy later became chief minister and is now a union minister. Devegowda served as both the chief minister of Karnataka and the prime minister of India. However, the seat slipped from JDS control in 2023. Iqbal Hussain of the Congress won Ramanagara by over 13,000 votes. Nikhil had contested the seat in 2019 and 2023 but lost both times. Reflecting on his 2023 defeat, he said his candidature was a last-minute decision. He said he had stepped in for the party even though he had sensed the likely result. Apart from politics, Nikhil had also tried his hand at cinema. He acted in films including the 2021 release Rider. His films, however, did not perform well at the box office.